everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to delete a status on your ClickUp. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open your web browser and sign in to your ClickUp account. Once you're signed in, from your home screen, go to Spaces option and click on the three dots at the right corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Space Settings, go to Task Statuses, and you'll be able to see active status that you have created for your ClickUp. In order to delete a status, hover over to the right corner of the status that you would like to edit or delete and give it a click. From the expanded menu, you can see three options displayed. You can either rename your status, change the color of your status, or delete your status. Click on Delete and you'll be able to see that a status has been removed from your list. Click on Review Changes and finally click on Save Changes, and that way you'll be able to delete a status on your ClickUp account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.